All right, what you got?
Well, hey, nice shirt.
Oh, thanks. I live right here.
You do. That's great. Hey, John, what I've got is our DJI Mic Minis.
Okay, I'm excited because what people don't know is we've been traveling around on motorcycles and making these videos for years. And where we started with the Sena cameras, the tubes on the side of our helmets, we've also added a couple of GoPros, and the Insta360 is fantastic. I love it.
Yeah.
But what we haven't really figured out until now was audio.
Well, yeah, and this is the Mic Mini, and now we haven't opened this box yet, but I've done my research. I think this is going to work really well for us. Now, we did order this on Amazon, couple bills.
Okay.
But let's try it out and see. But I think this is going to work.
Well, I believe what I need to do is we'll open it up. I'll check to make sure that we're charged up and ready to go. It's got microphones. I know it's got the little lavalier mics, and it's also got ones that we can put by the booms on our helmet cameras. And that's the thing. Yeah. I think that's the one we're really looking forward to, is being able to get that audio while we're riding, right?
I want to share our story and actually have people hear it.
Yeah. Well, there's really only one way to test them there, isn't there, Kelly?
Well, then let's go out and try it out.
Yeah, we'll go for a ride. Well, we've had a couple of new bike days, but today for Carol and I, it's a new mic day.
Mic day. I like it. Testing. So, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah, so we're going to be testing. So we put the DJI mics on our booms for our SC2s. We're going to give this a test. I'm going to set the camera up on the bike. Carolyn will show you what that looks like. We're going to have 2 different sets of video today, and hopefully the audio links to the video in real time. So as we go through this process, we're going to take you along with us, because that's how we both can learn, right? Well, we've always been able to talk to each other, but we haven't been able to talk good
to the camera.
Right, to the camera. And so people, I think, expect that we can tell you the story as we go, and so we're hoping this improves that experience for everybody. We hope it improves it for us, right?
I think it's going to be great.
All right, I'll get this set up. Carolyn will walk you around what we've got for a setup on the bike, and then we're going to take you out of the Grand Shamrock Ranch. And today we're going where, Carolyn?
Well, actually, I got the map, and it's about a 98-mile trip for us. We're taking the Cascade Loops Highway, which early on when we went up that direction, it wasn't even open because of snow. I do believe we rode that Cascade Loops.
Oh, absolutely.
Back, 4 years ago, it was open. So, yeah, sure, but they're open, getting it ready now. Wow, look at this. But now it's open. Well, of course, it's been open for a bit. But we're going to go to Odell Lake. There's a ton of lakes along the way. I don't know how many stops we'll make, but we are going to beat the clouds coming home.
Yeah, we got some extreme weather warnings. Yeah. So in typical Grand Shamrock fashion, we are going to try and beat the heat, or in this case, the storm. Yeah. I'm going to look right at the camera and see what that perspective looks like with the old man talking to the camera right now as we go down the road here. This is a whole new scene for us in the Grand Shamrock Tour.
I don't know what the distance is going to be.
Right. Right. And that's the whole idea about what we're about today.
When I shut my mic, or when I shut my helmet on, it was too snug with the mic, so I shoved the other mic with my helmet into my mouth, basically.
Yeah. Well, and again.
So much for the peaceful lake. Okay. Here we go. Okay, coming up. Hey. Here we go. Oh, man. We've done so well, except...
Well, what a great way to wrap up an amazing day of riding right in front of this beautiful BMW.
Ooh. Well, John, I did notice now this is very shiny. The butterflies and all the bugs have been washed off.
Well, we did happen to kill quite a few butterflies on yesterday's ride, where we took our way through the Cascade Lakes Loop.
Yeah, we started out in Sisters, ran into a couple of guys that were they were out riding on that Cascade Lakes Loop.
Yeah.
So that was kind of fun.
Yeah. I always have to ask, what do you think of those? Yeah. I like them. They can go off-road.
Hey, good.
They'll last forever. We'll always try to reach out to motorcyclists wherever they are, because we're a small community, but we're a great community that kind of links up. We actually ran into a couple of Harley riders from our old hometown that were on their way to Sturgis.
Yeah, I think it was Heather and Eric riding a couple of Harleys. It looked like they were going to have a great time.
Oh, yeah.
So it was just good to catch up with people. So what did you think about the Cascade Lakes Loop?
So I think, first of all, it's two roads. It's one long stretch of highway that gets you to where you get a great ride in. And so it is one of those things that if I were to give this instruction to anybody or help you in any way, if you're in Central Oregon, just go from Bend out to Elk Lake and then turn around and go back, because you're not going to see a whole lot after that. There are some beautiful mountains, but they're off in the distance anyway. But we got an opportunity to at least try out some microphones and see how they were working.
Well, we are trialing them today, and it's kind of windy out right now, so I'm looking forward to hearing how that's going to sound.
Well, it is windy, and I really, that's the test. Maybe y'all finally get to hear Carolyn, and I've been listening to her for 45 years, and I never want to miss a minute.
Yeah, well, you sure don't, do you?
No, I don't.
Gosh, what would you miss?
I may have missed it.
Oh my gosh. Hey, but John, go back to Elk Lake. It was beautiful. People were out on their SUPs and their kayaks. Sits right at the base of Mount Bachelor.
Yeah.
So you're right. That area, we did go out to Crescent Lake. Same thing. The water's just crystal clear, just quiet. All you hear is kids yelling and having a good time, and
to be
beautiful.
And to be fair, you only get 6 months out of the year at most to get to travel that road. So if we're in this season of the summer, we might as well go out there and take advantage of it, which we did, and we're glad we did. And we're glad we get a chance to share those kind of stories with you. If you like these kind of videos, the rides, the install videos, even the stuff on the BMW Triple Black occasionally. We pretty much have everything on them already. If you like that stuff, give us a blue thumbs up. Like our channel, and please subscribe. Share it with friends if you can, because we are trying to grow this channel to reach out or reach more people in our community, because we think it's something very valuable that somebody can still love riding motorcycles together after 45 years, and now that they can hear each other, might even enjoy it even better.
Really good. And on that note, travel safe.
And we're looking forward to seeing you guys out on the road.